This is the larynx. It is a structure that houses the vocal folds. The vocal folds are important for phonation, and phonation is the process of making sounds by the vocal folds. The larynx is the vibratory source of speech. First, I'm going to be talking about the hyoid bone, which is right here. And my larynx fell. Hyoid bone is right here. The hyoid bone is the only bone in the body not attached to another bone. It only has muscular attachments. It provides union between the tongue and the laryngeal structure. Next are the 9 cartilages. We have the cricoid, the thyroid, the epiglottis, 1 arytenoid, 2 arytenoid, 1 corniculate cartilage, 2 corniculate cartilage, and 2 cuneiform, which are not shown in this model, somewhere around here. Next are the 7 muscles. I will be talking about the 7 intrinsic muscles. Intrinsic muscles have 2 points of attachment within the larynx. First are the adductors, which are the lateral cricoarytenoid, the transverse, which is deep to the oblique arytenoids, which is the X. The lateral cricoarytenoid, right here, pulls the arytenoids forward. The transverse and oblique arytenoids pull the arytenoids together. All of these muscles together pull the vocal folds together, which is adduction. The abductors, and there's only one, is the posterior cricoarytenoid. It separates the vocal folds. Specifically, it pulls the vocal processes apart. Next are the glottal tensors. The cricothyroid, there's 2. This is the pars recta, or pars oblique, and the pars recta. And this same muscle is seen on the other side. These glottal tensors rock the thyroid forward and down. The thyrovocalis muscle, which is the medialmost of these 2 muscles, really there's 4, but it's 2 of each kind of muscle. The thyrovocalis, when contracted, tenses the vocal folds. The outsidemost muscle, right here and right here, is a glottal relaxer, the thyromuscularis. It relaxes the vocal folds. Glottal tensors and relaxers are important for pitch. Glottal tensors create a higher pitch, and glottal relaxers create a lower pitch. And that's all with the larynx.